Welcome back to my channel, Next in Food. I am your diva chef, Simone Walker Barrett. At Next in Food, this is where I show you my Jamaican comfort food. And today I am very excited to show you one of my all-time favorite comfort food. It is simple, it is delicious, and it is called Duckunoo. Or some Jamaicans call it blue jaws, some Jamaicans even call it tire leaf. What do you call it? I call it Duckunoo. And to make the Duckunoo, we need a few simple ingredients. The Duckunoo is something that is wrapped in banana leaf and then it is boiled to perfection. It takes about 30 minutes to cook. So let's go and make the Duckunoo. Traditionally, everything is grated. So what I'm going to be doing today is show you how to use your food processor. Okay, so we're respecting the tradition of the Duckunoo. I'm just using my food processor to get the mix in a little bit faster. So for the Duckunoo, I am going to be needing 1 cup of sugar, coconut. Coconut is very important in the Duckunoo. It adds texture and flavor. This is grated green banana. So that goes in. We have some cornmeal and flour. We also have pumpkin. Pumpkin is not traditionally added. I add this along the way because it gives it extra moisture and it gives a lovely color and sweetness. This is sweet potato that also goes in. And then we have the spices, very important. Cinnamon, freshly grated nutmeg, vanilla, and I'm just going to cover this. Oh, before I cover it, butter. Butter adds some fat to the Duckunoo. Duckunoo came to us from our African heritage, and what I love about Duckunoo is very versatile. Any ground provision you have available, you can put it in it. You can add cocoa, plantain, dasheen, yam, potato, and the list goes on and on. Sugar for sweet, coconut for flavor. So I'm just going to go over and blend this. In this container, we will add the Duckunoo mixture. See how easy that is? This is how I make it, and I would love for you to try this recipe. Introduce your family to the recipes. Remember that recipes and food is part of our culture, and it is very important for us to keep our culinary heritage alive. So this is why I created this channel, so I can teach you in the comfort of your home, from my home, how to make my favorite Jamaican comfort food. Now that our Duckunoo batter is mixed up, there are a few more ingredients we want to add to it. This is raisin. This is just some raisins that was soaked in rum and wine. And just gonna move these out of the way a little bit. This is what it looks like. And you mix that up. Now my mom would grate this. I did grate it, but I prefer to mix it into the food processor. However, if you don't have a food processor, after gratering it, you can just combine it in the bowl just like this. Now some other ingredients you're going to need if you're making Duckunoo are banana bark. Now traditionally this is what we use. This comes from the tree of the banana. We call this the banana bark or banana string. This is used traditionally to tie the Duckunoo. Now if you don't have banana bark, you can use a bushes twine like I have here. Also you need banana leaf, and what I like to do is to enclose the banana leaf with some foil for extra protection. So come with me over the stove and I'll show you how to make the banana leaf pliable to wrap the duckunoo. This process, we refer to it here in Jamaica as quailing the banana leaf. So all you do, you put it over an open flame and it makes the banana leaf become a lot more flexible. So come with me over the stove and I'll show you how this is done. So just turn your burner on. We have a pot here with water. This is what we're going to be boiling the duckunoo in. And right here is how I'm going to show you. So you turn your burner on and you put a fresh banana leaf directly over the flame. What it does, as you see some color change going on. The heat actually makes the banana leaf become more flexible so that when we roll the duckunoo mixture into it, it will not break up on us. So quailing the banana leaf is just simply putting it over an open fire, and that's all it is. So now it's time for us to wrap our duckunoo. Okay, I went ahead, I have some leaves already quailed. Sometimes when you quail them, depending on how mature the banana leaves are, they will turn a little bit black. Don't worry about that too much. It is still. So what I'm going to do, I have a portion scoop and I like to do 4 ounces per duckunoo. So you put 4 ounces on the banana leaf and then you just enclose it and just roll it into a log. Now, after rolling it into a log, this is what my mom would do. Traditionally, she would take a banana bark and tie the duckunoo mixture into the banana leaf just to make it a lot more secure. And then with a scissors, you can cut the extra ends off. So I like to take foil and roll it into foil and then secure it. Okay. I'm just gonna grab my towel and clean up my cinnamon that spilled. So we have a little cinnamon here that spilled. Oh. Again. And now it's time for us to take it to our water bath. So I'm just going to rest it in here and take it to the water. These take 30 minutes. So gently just lower them in. And you want to boil them on low. So my fire is on high. I'm going to turn it down to low. And just cover them and let it go for 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes time, I'm going to show you what it looks like. The duckunoo has been boiling for 30 minutes. I took one out and I tested, and oh my god, it is absolutely delicious. It is cooked, it is flavorful. That coconut texture that I talked about earlier, that fresh nutmeg and that little raisin that we throw in there. So the tester is ready. You know, in a Jamaican kitchen, we always have to test this, make sure that it has the flavor that we want. So it has been out of the boiling water for about 5 minutes now, so it's firm up. Please note that when you first take out the duckunoo, it will feel soft, but as you allow it to cool down, it starts to get firm. It is starch, and this is how starch behave. So I'm going to go ahead, turn my fire off, and take out the remaining packages. So just gently, be careful. You can allow them to cool down in the water. I like to take them out, put them on a tray. I'm using a serving tongue because I find that this allows me better reach, you know, so that the steam don't burn my hand. You can also use a slotted spoon, and just look at that. Look at that. Come with me. Let me show you how you eat a Duckunoo. Now, as kids, we get our Duckunoo. It's like getting a gift. You unwrap your package and you just you have to make this. Make this recipe, post it, tag us at Next in Food on Instagram. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, Next in Food, on YouTube. Turn on your notification button, comment, like, and share. It's very important that we keep our traditional cooking culture alive. So from my kitchen to yours, I do hope you enjoy this Duckunoo recipe. The recipe will be posted for you down below, so check it out and tell me what you think about it. I'm your diva chef, Simone Walker Barrett. Continue to subscribe to my channel, Next in Food, for more of the Jamaican comfort food that I eat at home. Take care.